Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifter Attacks Store Employee When She Doesn't Get Her Way."
2026. Officers responded to a grocery store for a call of a woman causing a disturbance.
Hi there. Right around the corner here.
Okay. All right, man. Thanks, man.
I just purchased this.
Okay, come on.
Listen to me, sir. No, okay. It's not okay because I don't like it, and it's going wrong, going left. These people just sold me this. He said I'm in here. I ain't supposed to be here. I'm at work. My client stay across there in that building right there.
At the apartments?
Yes.
Okay.
I come here every Tuesday and Thursday. I've never stolen nothing. I've never taken nothing. They came here, and he came back here and said something to me, and I told him, I said, no, I ain't never took nothing. I ain't never done nothing. He said, well, we want you out here right now. Why would you want me out here right now? And I'm purchasing my food. I ain't done nothing wrong. No, I wasn't.
Do you have a driver's license on you, an ID on you?
I don't have nothing on me.
Can I get your name real quick?
My name is ShyGotEm Smothers.
Hold on, sir.
See, and I don't even like this.
Okay. Well, I just gotta find out who I'm talking to. Can you spell your last name for me? Calm down for a second.
No,
okay?
I can't calm down.
Okay. What's your
I'm
date
being
of birth?
attacked.
Okay, listen.
No.
What's your date of birth?
Look at you. You here for me.
I am, and I gotta get your information.
You here for me. And I ain't done nothing.
Listen, I need you to calm down.
I can't calm down.
Miss
my work, and it's
okay.
Do you know how many of us died?
Okay.
Do you know?
Do you wanna? Did she pay for this?
I don't know.
We don't know.
I paid for it.
Do you have a
Let's
receipt?
Go. Nope. Let's go.
Okay. Well,
I'll show you that I paid for. I had a link card.
You have a link card. Well, do you have a receipt?
I had money. And they came up here before I could pay for anything and do anything.
So I'm asking.
They came for me and bothered me.
Listen, all I'm asking you is, did you pay for it?
I ain't even walk on no door.
Okay,
I never walked that door. I don't want nothing no more.
You don't want anything anymore? Okay, come over here with me.
You ain't even got to talk.
Okay, come on over here with me.
No, you ain't even got to talk to me no.
No, it doesn't work like that, okay?
It does. It does.
No, because they're asking you, listen, ma'am.
He asked me to leave.
And I'm escorting you out, okay?
You can escort me out, but you don't have to.
What's your date of birth, miss?
You don't have to give me anything from me.
What's your date of birth? I have to identify.
No transaction transpired.
Okay, listen.
Hey, I'm still on.
Okay, can you
No,
can you walk out here with me so we don't cause more of a disturbance?
No transaction transpired, but you said a couple minutes ago that you paid for it with your link card. So which one is it? We all know which one it is. You ain't pay for it. We know.
Okay, but you're the one yelling, okay? So would you like to walk out with me?
I didn't bother
him. Okay, I'm asking you.
Yelling.
Okay.
You know why I'm yelling?
Okay, listen.
Because I'd have been falsely accused.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one more time, okay? I'm going to ask you one more time to exit the store.
I'm going to exit the store.
Okay, come on.
I don't mind exiting the store.
Okay, let's go.
You can't.
I'm going to ask you one more time.
You can't do nothing with me when I exit the store because I don't have nothing on me.
You're going to be banned from the store, okay?
I don't mind being banned.
Okay, come on. Now, can you give me your date of birth?
No.
Okay.
No. I'm keep alive. I'm keep alive. Man. Sir, I'm over here for you. Sir, I don't have no more issues. No, listen. I'm done.
All right.
Sir,
stop. Or I'm
please
gonna
please don't touch
If you don't stop, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
I'm not.
So I'm gonna explain how this works. I don't care.
I'm okay.
You're recorded. I'm recording.
I'm
Great.
okay.
So here's how this goes.
I ain't got nothing. I ain't stole nothing.
Are you gonna listen to me? Will you listen to me? Will you listen to me? Will you listen to me?
No. I'm a black woman.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing
Stop
to nobody.
walking. So I can explain to you, okay?
You're getting too close to me.
Because you're not listening to me.
But you're getting too close to me.
You
Please leave me.
If you don't stop, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
You gonna put me in handcuffs anyway.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to explain to you.
You gonna put me in handcuffs.
You being black has nothing to do with anything.
It got everything to do with it.
I come from a multiracial family. You don't know about that.
You just accosted me about saying something to you about me.
I'm trying to explain to you something. Will you listen to me? If you're not going to listen to me, I'm going to put you in handcuffs, and then I'm going to identify you that way.
I didn't steal nothing.
We're not saying that. We got called here.
This not
Listen, all right. You're going in handcuffs.
Hey, yeah, hold on.
You're going in handcuffs.
Hey,
Stop resisting.
I ain't resisting.
Stop resisting.
I ain't resisting. I ain't resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't resisting. I'm at work.
Behind your back.
Hey,
I don't want to
I ain't
break your phone.
resisting.
Put your hands
I
behind
ain't
your back.
resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, y'all. What y'all doing? I'm not resisting.
You're going in handcuffs.
That's okay.
Please stop.
I'm not doing nothing. Y'all, well, I'm
You're
not
going to
doing
be
nothing.
detained because
That's
you're not
okay.
listening.
Detain me. That's fine. Detain me.
You are being detained.
That's fine. Detain me.
Please stop.
Detain
Loosen
me.
up
That's
your
fine.
arm. Loosen up
Detain
your
me.
arm.
My arms are loosened.
Thank
Detain
you.
me.
Thank you.
But guess
Calm
what?
down.
God don't like ugly. Take
Calm
me to
down.
jail. No, we ain't got nothing else to talk about.
Calm down.
No.
He's got to double check your cuffs.
I don't give a fuck.
Make sure they're double
I
locked.
don't give a fuck. Y'all wrong, and y'all ain't numbers of
If you will
racist ass
just
white
calm
motherfuckers.
down.
I ain't coming
We're
down.
trying to explain
I'm a
something
black
to you.
bitch in a white neighborhood. That's
Please
y'all just
calm
fucking
down.
put their handcuffs on.
Please
and I'm at
calm
work.
down.
I'm at work. And y'all just fucking.
Come on, we're gonna go to the car.
Come over here.
Yeah, I'm at work, and y'all just fucking.
Please walk with them. Please walk with them.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
No.
All right, hold on. I'll grab her feet. Wait.
Yep. Drag me, bitch. Drag me. Drag me. Drag me. God gonna see you drag me.
All right.
God don't like ugly. Cause I ain't did
Why
no
are you
wrong.
doing this?
I
We're
ain't
just
did
trying
no
to
wrong.
work with you.
I ain't did nothing wrong. I'm at
You're
work.
not listening to
I'm
us.
at work. I was listening. I'm trying to tell
Come on, sweetheart. Please get up so we can put you in the car.
I was trying to tell you, no. How can I give you my hand?
I'm gonna help you up.
No, you can't
Get
help
up on your butt.
Sit up on your butt
Sit
for
up on
us.
your butt.
You can't never say nothing to me.
Sit up on your butt.
Please sit up for me. Come on.
Hey, whatever you do.
Bring your knees in for me.
I'm not doing nothing.
Okay. We're going to search you real quick
I
before
don't
we
care
get in
what
here.
you
Do
do.
you have anything on you?
I don't care
Help me,
what
hurt
you
me,
do.
stick me?
I don't care what you. I got a taser in my pouch.
Okay.
Cause I catch the bus.
Okay.
Hey, but I'm gonna tell you this. I don't care what you do. God don't like ugly.
We didn't have to go this way.
Y'all did. Y'all chose this route. God don't like ugly.
We've been trying to work
No,
with
no,
you,
you wouldn't.
but
You
you're
wouldn't.
obstructing
No, you
us
wouldn't. I wouldn't
and
obstruct
preventing
shit.
us from doing
No, I
our
wouldn't.
job.
God don't like ugly, but I'm gonna show you better.
No gloves? No gloves while doing the frisk? That's the first thing that stand out to me. And yeah, you can't judge a book by its cover sometime, man. You know, I like that officer said that. He said, man, I come from a multi-family, multiracial family. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you don't know. You know, sometimes it could be a white family, but the parents may want to adopt and they adopt a black child, or maybe the white kid had a rough upbringing or whatever, went to the system and was adopted by a black family, or you know what I'm saying, or whatever, or maybe intertwined some way, you know what I mean, multiracial, you never know. Just because his skin is white don't mean he ain't got no culture in him. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. You can't do that, man. Especially when you in the wrong. Don't blame him because, he's racist, he's white, this and that. I'm a black girl in a white neighborhood and this. What that got to do with you taking something without paying for it? That's what they here for. Like, no accountability, none at all, nothing, no. Okay, no accountability. All right, got it.
I'm gonna call my lawyer. Don't worry.
That's all right.
I'm gonna call her.
Maybe your lawyer will be more sensible in answering questions for us.
Because I ain't gonna answer none. Come on, keep on. Yeah,
All right.
come on.
Will you sit in the car for me, please?
I shouldn't even get out.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on. And
Watch your feet.
I ain't got no warrant.
Watch your foot.
And you ain't got no written.
Here's your. Sorry about that. That's okay. So all we were trying to do was identify her so we could give her the proper trespass. She wanted to obstruct, so that's why we had to take her into forcible custody, because she kept trying to obstruct us and get away from us. So if any of your customers complain, refer them to me. I'll explain. Hopefully they don't blame you for it. You can refer them to me. Did that other officer, did he have a chance to get your name?
No.
Okay. So she came in.
They called me over to the deli. She went over there first.
Okay.
The teammates told me that she put her hands on him. We were yelling at him.
Okay.
So she de-escalated it. I finally tried to get her to check out and just leave. She kept yelling. She said she wanted to check out up here, so I escorted her. We stopped at Floral. I tried to check her out there. Then she said she paid for it. I didn't even care about the chicken. I just wanted her to leave.
Okay.
And she just kept yelling. She came back over here, started yelling at teammates again. I came back over. That's when I told them over here to call the police, just to have her removed. Okay. I gave her every opportunity to pay for it and leave.
So she made physical contact with some of your employees?
Supposedly over in the deli. I haven't been able to verify it.
Okay. Do you have camera footage?
Probably.
That we could review? Do they want to press charges for battery, or do they just want her gone?
She's going to get charged anyway. I got charges off.
So he came up and was mad with another worker about styrofoam plates. We don't have any, but they've been out for over 3 hours. So when she got here, they already weren't there. She was mad, saying that the one she was mad at went back there and started talking about her, but she went back there to tell everybody else we don't have any plates. So when I heard she was cussing, I came around and she was in face talking of like saying you and you up and I'm coming for you, all that. And so I told her we haven't had any styrofoam plates for a while. And she got in my face and said, no, I got the last one. You remember I got the last one. I said, okay, whatever, you know. I know she didn't, so I'm not going to argue. And when she got in my face, that's when I smelled her breath. And I know she, yeah. And that's when she, like, shoved me, and she didn't do it hard, but she, don't touch me.
Did she kind of do like this? Or?
It was like a, well, you don't know.
Okay.
It wasn't like a attack, but it was, don't touch me, please.
Okay.
And so that's when she kept getting more mad, and I could tell it wasn't going to, like, get fixed. And I kept telling her, it's all well. And she goes, I'm fine, but you're not. And just kept saying stuff like that. And she kept coming back and just standing there.
Okay.
So I called back, and once I called back, she got even more mad, and then started doing that all over my face again. Or ma'am, and she thought he said dude. Okay. So she went really, yeah, and then that's when told me to just walk away, and I stayed away since then.
I talked to her, so I got your information. We're going to take her to the station. And obviously she's already on the ban list here, so she's trespassing here. If she comes back, you see her, notify us. We'll come back out and arrest her.
The woman was charged with battery, trespassing, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
Wow. So she was already trespassing. That's pretty interesting. Imagine messing up at your local grocery store, and you can't even go to your local grocery store no more because you just was acting like a jackass, man. Don't even make no sense. Because this didn't even have nothing really to do with her taking the chicken. It really had to do with her causing a disturbance and, attacking the employees and stuff. Like, this ain't even like your typical shoplifting, thing, so wasn't the title had something to do with, entitled shoplifter. This ain't even really got nothing to do with that, but yeah, it is what it is, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.